Hello, my name is Corey Jolin, and I am here to talk to you about our exceptional business plan, which we call Meals Made Easy. Now, I discovered this market opportunity a couple of years back when I moved out of my parents' house to begin my journey as a young adult in college. I went through many struggles and watched my peers do the same. I learned, grew, and tackled these everyday struggles, but I noticed one in particular that none of my peers had overcome. This issue was learning how to eat healthy and feed ourselves without relying on fast food as our main source of food throughout the day. I spoke with many of my friends, and every one of them expressed a deep desire to be able to make their own food and obtain a greater control over their health, money, and cut reliance on fast food. Seeing this big gap between my peers' desires and their reality, I set out to learn why none of us were overcoming this common struggle we shared. Immediately, I set off to the grocery store with one of my friends, and as soon as the sliding doors opened and we took a step inside, it hit us. We didn't know how to grocery shop. The store looked a little something like this. It was a maze that we simply couldn't solve. We didn't know what to buy, if it was healthy, or how to combine these items and create a meal. Needless to say, we left the store with some Easy Mac, ramen, and cereal. Afterwards, I spent many weeks searching and gaining knowledge on healthy foods and how to prepare them into meals. Only then was I even capable of returning to that store and building a successful healthy diet that was maintainable. Unfortunately, I was the only one willing to put forth that effort. Even after I showed some of my friends what to buy, how to cook the meals, and how much money I was saving, not a single one followed in my footsteps. Why was this? It was simply too much work for the average college student. What if we could provide a service that took the entire problem and steep learning curve of a healthy lifestyle and completely tackled it for the consumer? This way, nothing would stand in the way of a healthy meal plan. The only thing needed would be the desire to change your eating habits and the knowledge of our service. To fulfill this need, we have created Meals Made Easy. Coming up next to show you our solution is Alex Davies.
Thank you, Corey. I plan to go over our solution to the problems the Phoenix, Arizona State University area face. Meals Made Easy plans to offer a service where customers use our online website and either upload their own recipes or use one from our database. They can choose the products they love from any common grocery store or our own products. This allows them to pick healthier products or products that are allergen-free. Then, once the recipes are confirmed, Meals Made Easy produces the food and delivers it to the customer's door. This takes the time and energy out of shopping and preparing healthy homemade meals they love. On the website, customers have the ability to tweak our own recipes or upload their own favorites. This will give customers many options and allow them to specifically choose the meals they like. They will essentially generate a grocery list with the products they love from the recipes they choose. From this, we will grocery shop and pick up the desired foods. This can save customers an average of 2 to 4 hours every 2 weeks in the time they spend at the grocery store. They can also search recipes by item and view the nutritional information from the recipe. There will also be diet tools, health planning, or meal planning to assist customers with their decisions. If a customer has a diet or allergy concern, they will have access to tools for assistance. Many alike services do not offer dishes based on dietary restrictions, and we are pleased to announce that Meals Made Easy does. We do not want to turn away any customers and pride ourselves on being very accommodating towards those concerns. The customers can search for specific food they are allergic to and make sure the recipes they want do not contain that allergen. Customers on diets will be able to choose from an extensive list of meals or upload their own healthy recipes. Once the business takes off, we plan to offer custom prepared food for customers. This will be done by chefs, and once the food is prepared, it will be delivered straight to the customer's door. This can save our customers another 7+ hours a week preparing meals for themselves or for their families. The meal planning tool is great for those who plan for a family. It allows you to plan which meals you would like in a 1, 2, or 3-week period and generates a shopping list of those items. After, you can add or delete items by preference. Once the list is complete, the items are bought and delivered straight to your door. There is a huge competitive advantage in the Phoenix ASU area because there isn't a service that offers what we do. We plan to capitalize on that fact and build great customer relations. After doing so, we plan to expand more into the Phoenix metropolitan area. Now, I wanted to introduce Karen Tamayo, who will be discussing more about our competition, marketing plan, and management team. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. My name is Karen Tamayo, and I will be discussing a couple of important topics we had to consider before starting our new venture. Some of the things we had to take in consideration were the market, our competition, and coming up with a marketing plan. In doing our marketing research, we found out that the market for grocery delivery is projected to be $85 billion in the next few years, and the market for takeout delivery has been estimated to $160 billion in the last 10 years. This projection has consistently increased to this day. You're probably asking yourself, why Phoenix? Well, our unique service is a relatively new concept to the Phoenix area. And Phoenix has a very dense but diverse population, with its total population of 1,445,632 and growing. So actually, Phoenix is a great location for our new venture. Now, I will discuss competition. How well do we compare to other companies that provide similar products and services to the ones we offer? The competition for our service will come from 3 main areas: brand competition, service product competition, and do-it-yourself. Our service, however, will offer a different shopping experience than anything else available currently. And as we put our marketing plan together, we realized that the grocery delivery market is underdeveloped. This is because there's no company that's truly tried to meet the customer's needs, only generate more sales. We will have a strategic marketing plan in place to overcome the shortcomings of the industry and let the public know that the grocery service they need is finally available. Our website will target college students, working professionals, and busy families. We will also reach out to the medical community and the elderly population to assist those who can't go to the grocery store for themselves. We will also encourage those who dislike the hassle of grocery shopping and preparing decent meals to try a new, easier approach through us. Also, as part of our marketing plan, we assessed our business strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Some of our strengths are excellent customer service, numerous ordering options available, 24 hours, 7 days a week open online. Some of our weakness, we will have no reputation at the beginning, untrained employees to begin, and employees are difficult to hire. The opportunity would be time is valued, lack of mobility, little to no competition, new technology making service easier. And some of our threats are service may be seen as a luxury, competition entering the market, smaller consumers' budget. And finally, for our management team, led by 4 members, Dave Bauer as the Chief Executive Technology Officer, Alex Davis as the Vice President of Research and Development, Corey Jolin as the Chief Financial Officer and Karen Tamayo myself as the Sales and Marketing Director. I will now pass this on to David, who will cover additional information. Thanks.
Thank you, Karen. I would like to go over our plans and projections for the future. Our current goals are to finish our website, which is being made by me, keeping our costs low. We also need to procure our facilities, both a warehouse and kitchen, and we plan on starting with one delivery truck, with one crew. Once our demand goes up, we will be getting more delivery crews. In the long term, through advertising and good service, we need to gain a good reputation to make grocery delivery viable. Preparing meals, if the demand will support it, and adding delivery crews as our demand increases. We need to maintain our customer base in order to remain viable. The Phoenix area has over 500 grocery stores. Each of these makes an average of $350,000 in profit a week before costs. We plan to be reaching out to all of these customers. The financial projections you see here are based off of achieving half of the customer base of an average grocery store by year 5. This does not include any customers that would be coming from fast food, delivery, or takeout, as we reach out to these customers in order to change their habits for the better. As you see, by quarter 3 we plan to be profitable, and by year 5 we plan on making about $4 million a year. This is only in the Phoenix area. Our financial projections are based off of the belief that at a minimum we can achieve 0.4% of the Phoenix grocery market. This is a very conservative estimation, not even including the other markets of fast food, delivery, and takeout, in order to show you how profitable we can be even with this small of a market share. We currently have $50,000 on hand. We are seeking another $350,000 to get started. Most of this will be going towards a facility, kitchen, and the first delivery crew. So if we are able to procure these resources elsewhere, then we do not need the direct cash. In this chart here, you will see that almost half of our initial startup costs will be the facilities, warehouse, trucks, and equipment. Some of it will be going towards our initial marketing and the wages and salaries needed for the delivery crews. In summation, the purpose of our business is to provide a great alternative to typical fast food, food delivery, and grocery store delivery, one that takes the time, energy, and expertise out of buying and preparing meals. We provide meals that incorporate a healthy, allergen-free, and delicious approach. Our plans are to start in the Phoenix area, but quickly expand to surrounding areas in the nation.